Shalom family, I just had to come out here and bring you and let you see what's going on. Remember that I told you I threw old rotten sweet potatoes into these bins? Now we are digging them out to see exactly what we get. So I had to bring you along so you can see. Look, that thing is huge. Yes. Look at that one right there. Oh, baby, wow. That's a nice size sweet potato right there. Hold on. Okay. Wow. Wow. Rotten sweet potatoes. These were not done by no slips. It just was a old shrivel up sweet potato. 2 or 3 of them, and this is what we are getting. Wow. Look at this big kahuna right here. Wow. I think we planted some there too, so we're going to turn that one over as well. So don't let nobody tell you that you need slips. Just throw a little baby sweet potato in there. You don't have to even cut it. All right, let's see if we can turn this over. Ooh. Because I think we put some in there too. Not 100% for sure. You're seeing this for the first time like we are. Okay. You did put sweet potatoes in there, honey. Okay. Oh, that's a nice one.
Tiny ones here.
And see what we'll do. You see these little teeny ones right here? We'll just throw those back in the dirt next spring, and they will give us more sweet potatoes. How cool is that? Yeah, family. So that's simple. So this was just in these totes. Just imagine if we had put them directly in the ground. They probably would have been a lot larger, but I am quite satisfied with these. Free food, no pesticides, just 100% all natural, grown in our backyard. Can't get no better than that. You didn't think you was going to get any, did you? Because you came out here with no gloves. Yeah. So all praises to the Most High. Free food, you guys. You know, you can't get no better than that from your own backyard. And I think this week, sweet potatoes, they went down to 29 cents a pound. But guess what? I ain't got to pay nothing. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Unbelievable. Yes. Thank you, honey.
Yeah, no problem. Next year.
Next year. Yes. All praise to the Most High.
Praises.
If you like this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. Y'all know I do. I think this is the big one right here. But guess what? I love the Most High more. Shalom. Did somebody say sweet potato pie?